In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use GitHub Pages to host your own website. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, from creating a repository and uploading your files to publishing your site and making updates. GitHub Pages is a simple and efficient web hosting solution that allows you to publish websites directly from your repository. It makes your content publicly accessible, supports both public and private repositories, and includes built-in automation features that streamline deployment and updates whenever you push changes. In this demo, we'll publish a website using GitHub Pages. First, create a GitHub account and set up a new repository with a name of your choice. Next, add your website files, including an index.html, to the repository. Finally, enable GitHub Pages in the settings to publish your site and make it live online. Start by creating a new repository on GitHub and give it a name such as Demo. GitHub.io, which is commonly used for personal websites. Once the repository is created, you can begin adding your website files, including an index.html file, either by uploading them directly through the browser or by using Git from your computer. It's important to ensure that your main file is named index.html, as GitHub Pages uses this as the default entry point for your website. You can also include additional files like CSS, images, or JavaScript to enhance your site's design and functionality. After uploading your files, commit your changes so they are saved in the repository and ready to be published. Next, navigate to the Settings tab of your repository, then scroll down to find the GitHub Pages section. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Branch, which is usually set to none by default. Change it to the main branch, or whichever branch contains your website files, and click Save. After saving, GitHub Pages will start deploying your site, and a message will appear saying that your site is being published. This process may take a minute or two, so be patient. Once deployment is complete, GitHub will provide a live URL where your website is accessible. You can click this link to view your site, share it with others, and test that everything is working correctly. From this point on, any changes you make to your repository's files will automatically update your website whenever you commit and push them. You have successfully learned how to host a web page using GitHub Pages. By creating a repository, adding your website files, and enabling GitHub Pages in the settings, you now have a live website accessible on the internet. This simple process allows you to publish personal projects, blogs, portfolios, or any static website quickly. From here, you can continue to update your site, add new pages, and explore more advanced features like custom domains or automated workflows.